Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. I would love your company. Today though, we are checking out my third triple fat goose jacket. If you're looking for a beautifully curated insulated jacket that will keep you warm all throughout the winter and below freezing temperature and perhaps Arctic temperature, Triple Fat is the way to go. They're a luxury brand that curates trendy, beautiful jackets that are honestly insulated with sustainable down feather. Sustainable down feather. That is super important, obviously, for me because I like to be sustainable and obviously cruelty-free. So, Triple Fat Goose, they do not disappoint. In this box right here, though, is a jacket that I'm so excited to be adding to my collection, guys. I am finally getting back into skiing, and I need to up the wardrobe. So, in this box right here is a Triple Fat Goose jacket called the Rockhopper. That's a name, Rockhopper. I don't know why, but whenever I hear Rockhopper, I always think of this clip of Paris Hilton. Rockhopper. It makes no sense. But anyway, we have the Rockhopper jacket in here. It's a puffer jacket. And those are so trendy right now, so hot. I picked the color black that I'm so excited to check out. It looks beautiful. It looks so freaking pretty. And I'm gonna try it on. We're gonna do a Triple Fat Goose experience. So if you're interested, hang out with me, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. I'm sorry to get this box open, guys. It has been sitting in my closet for the past 3 days, and I've been anticipating this moment since then. And finally today, I have the time, and I want to share this moment with you all, of course. Triple Fat Goose, I've worked with them for a couple years now, and I feel like for the past 2 years, I've been sending me a jacket per year. And this one is the first one they told me like what to review. So I didn't get to pick, and this is actually gifted from Triple Fat. This is not a paid sponsorship. They did not pay for me to curate this opinion. This is natural. So this jacket is called the Rockhopper Men's Two-Tone Puffer Down Jacket. It goes for $425. A little hefty, but then again, there's way more expensive down jackets out there than this. So not that bad. It's still considered luxury. Trust and believe, like the whole quality of their jackets goes a long way, and they last. So the jackets I got years ago from this company, like they're still basically in amazing condition. It's not just because I take care of my stuff, but because they really put the quality into their materials. So there's a lot of details online per item, and they actually provide you with like a warmth meter, water, wind, weight of how much like resistance it has to natural elements, which is pretty cool. And there's a full-on description of the Rockhopper, which like maybe I'll read in a moment. But anyway, let's get this open because I am dying to see how this looks. So it comes in a variation of colors, and I thought, because it's two-toned, I like one-tone jackets for the most part. So I picked the black. And I don't have a black like winter jacket, so. But anyway, their pieces come in this type of box. There's a goose on there, little goose. My partner's name is Gustavo when you call him Goose for short, so pretty cute. And then here we have the moments. Oh my goodness, you guys. They do not disappoint when it comes to presentation, like they never have. We have a little thank you note here. We hope this jacket keeps you exceptionally warm this winter. Enjoy. Very cool. And I always love how Triple Fat Goose has a dust bag for their jackets. Like, that is beyond luxury, isn't it? Look how beautiful that is. And it reminds me of a pillowcase, so you could probably use this as a pillowcase if you really wanted to. So, pretty sick. We have the logo right there. Very cool, since 1987. And a zip moment to get it open. So once you open up that, we have the jacket. Oh my goodness, this is light. I wasn't expecting it to be as light as this, but it's pretty cool. And this actually is a bag that you can, store your jacket away and have it like, protected in your house if you don't have like a cedar closet or anything. You know what I mean? But one of these bags, you want to hold on to that. We got the tag stuck. All right, I am obsessed with this color. What was that?
What was that?
This is a phenomenal color. Love the feeling of this. We have the 𝗙𝗏 Goose logo right there on the sleeve. The pufferness is just like the right amount of puffy. It doesn't like look overwhelming, or you know what I mean when it comes to puffer jackets. Sometimes they're a little intimidating. This one, it's just right. Now the multi-toned in this, it's black on black. So we have kind of like a matte black moment up here, and then obviously the more shiny going on down there. And the hood itself is also matte. And what I love most, I feel like, about these jackets is the hoods are always detachable. I'm the type of guy where it's like, if it's not windy out and I'm not doing any skiing or any type of like winter activities, I don't want a hood. I just don't want that thing dangling there. It's dumb. So you could actually detach the hood if you want to. There's a clip up here, which I don't know what that's for, unless it's, I really don't know what you would use that for. Maybe hanging this jacket up, something like that. But these are some close-ups of the hood if you want to get some more deets. And of course we have the logo right there on that clip I was talking about. You could also tighten your hood, which is neat. So if you are doing something outdoors and you want to make sure your face is completely protected, you just tighten that up and cool. But let's get this thing on. I'm ready to try her on. This is just gorgeous. Also the buttons, there's just a lot of details that 𝗙𝗏 really does celebrate, and I freaking love that. The tag, I'm stalling guys, I'm stalling the try on process, but let's see here. Oh my god, before we put it on though, we have to look at the interior. This is the inside right here. So you might be thinking like, that's insulated? That does not look insulated. Trust me, like the down feathers really do keep you super warm. And it's not like an overheating moment either, because as cold as I might get personally, I also do get hot really easily. I don't know what it is about me, but it happens. So the down feathers, I feel like they're very climate controlled in a way. I don't know, it's crazy. It's like a natural type of insulation, obviously, but that's the inside. Ooh, this is a size large, by the way. I like to get larges for my jackets so they're more comfortable. Obviously I'm wearing a sweater, and this fits just right. Wow. This looks so good. This is beautiful. This is sick, and it feels so comfortable. It feels lightweight, but at the same time, it feels cozy. You know what I mean? If that makes any sense? I absolutely love this. This is what it looks like with the hood on. Zipped up. This is what it looks like. So it is very, very sleek. This looks like a luxury jacket. In my opinion, I feel like this is definitely like outerwear at its finest. Just for fun, let's go ahead and read the description of this jacket on 𝗙𝗏 Goose's website, which, by the way, I'm gonna link all their information in the description down below. But it says here, a style from a reforged supply collection, the Rockhopper is a color-blocked men's down puffer designed with premium recycled materials. From the soft recycled 𝗬𝗟 fabrication to the lofty 750 fill power recycled down, the Rockhopper offers technical luxury performance, engineered to protect you from the elements. Among its many features, the Rockhopper has a DWR coating that is eco-friendly. Don't ask me what DWR means. And it helps the outer fabrication repel light moisture. Its insulated hood, detachable, like I said, provides you with extra warmth when the wind is howling, while its snap button placket, I don't know what a placket is, but I'm guessing this is the placket. So you can not only like zip this up, but you could also like button it closed as well. So it's like double closure, which is pretty cool. Complete the look of the Rockhopper. Cool. Okay, so we got a description here, guys. Basically, the website has all that for you to read, a lot more features and specs, and even something like this that basically gives you a full in-depth kind of like breakdown of all of the elements of the jacket. Like when I tell you 𝗙𝗏 goes all the way, they really take it all the way, which is why their products are pricey and there's effort put into it, which I appreciate. But that's a wrap, guys. I absolutely love this jacket. I'm so excited to wear this skiing. I'm going to rock this winter, and here in Pennsylvania, It's January, but it's gonna be cold probably beginning of April and then March. Usually the beginning of April is when it starts to semi-warm up. Anyway, I don't even want to think about that. But yeah, I'm gonna be getting use out of this jacket. I'm so excited to be rocking it winter 23 and like winters forward because their products really do last. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found this helpful. I know a lot of you guys like watch my previous Triple Fat Goose videos and found them to be helpful, and I helped you guys with picking the brand, so it's pretty cool. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I would appreciate that. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. And my Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏 if you want to give me a follow in there as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.